Lived in this house for over 20 years and had wood lattice patio covers, 3 of them, covering 2 sides. And I got tired of having to get up and scrape them, replace the rotted ones, repaint them. And one of my friends had a Alumawood patio cover, and they said, it's really simple, go online, do it. So I literally got online one night, did the measurements, sent it in. The very next day, Jamie called me back and sent me I guess it's the finished plans, and then made recommendations by what I was telling him I had. And a week later, I had all the materials to start the first 2 and put them up, and each of them took about a day with the help of my son. And then this year we bought a 12 by 26 solid roof kit, and again got started with my son, just make sure everything's square, and I finished the rest of it all by myself. It's obviously better to work with 2 people and faster, but it can be done by yourself. Very simple. I tell people, look at it and I say, if you can build Legos, you can do this. And they give you really detailed instructions, and you follow it step by step, and it was easy. Originally I was going to have a 13-foot span, and he was quick to note that I guess here in the state of California, if a 13-foot span, it takes a certain gauge of aluminum, and if I shorted it 12 foot, it could use less, save me $982. And it's like, well, thanks for saving me $980, because it didn't need the total 13 foot. So it was really beneficial having somebody to talk to who knows these products. And and a lot of people have told us, oh, it'll be a month. Different companies are slower, and then you've got to line up somebody to install it. And I think installation at minimum is like $2,000 on these simple lattice. And I literally spent one weekend each, again with the help of my son, and very easy. And it really helped. The part of that over there, and the reason why I did solid over there, is to cool off that side of the house. It takes the most sun, and it really does. We did the light kits on it. Again, Jamie recommended what to do there. He laid out the fans, the ceiling fans, laid out the lights. All I did was follow the directions and put them in. And my son's an electrician, so obviously he helped with the wiring, but I laid all the wire as I was building it, just like it said in the plans. And it was very simple. I'm in Lake Elsinore here, and they were in Wildemar, so I thought it's closer, and that's what Jamie told us right off the bat. He goes, yeah, our yard's right over here. In fact, the first kits, we drove there and picked them up in my son's truck. He's an electrician, like I said, and he has one of the trucks with the rack on it. And they loaded it all on for us and saved me, I think, $180 of delivery. Everything here we built and put in, so just as natural. I know it was going to take some time. The most important part was getting them square and get the start. After that, it's repetition. The online, if you just follow that step by step, you'll get a great version of it. And then the salesperson, or whatever Jamie's official title is, and whoever else does something like him, they sent back the plan right away, I think next morning. And then I called, and they made suggestions. So, I mean, it couldn't have been easier. I didn't, like I said on the other side, I didn't overpay for something I didn't need, and it made it real simple to do.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.